Need a CEO, a CFO, Chief of Operations, and Chief of Revenue to review your forecast, but you're just one person? You can get all four perspectives from a single Copilot prompt. You stare at one grid of numbers, wondering what leadership would say about it. Without their viewpoints, risks and blind spots stay hidden until it's too late. Every forecast reads differently depending on who's holding it. A CFO sees cash, a COO sees capacity, a CRO sees the pipeline. Getting all four in one room can take weeks. Today's superpower, a C-suite in a spreadsheet. Take your forecast, hand it to four executives inside Copilot, and get a full analysis back, risks flagged and reviewed. Assign the roles, clarify the data, choose your scenarios, review before you execute. Open Excel and click the Copilot button. The Copilot pane opens on the right. At the top, you'll notice a mode dropdown with three options: allow editing, plan, and chat only. Each gives you a different level of control. Chat only just answers questions. Plan builds a plan first. Allow editing lets Copilot change the workbook directly, so that's what we'll use. Now type your prompt. Here we're asking Copilot to analyze the forecast from four C-suite perspectives. Keep it structured and present it on a new tab. Send it, and Copilot gets to work, reading the workbook and building out the analysis step by step. While it runs, note the model selector at the top of the pane. You can choose which language model Copilot uses, or leave it on auto. And here's the result: a brand new tab with insights, risks, and a recommendation for each of the four roles, all linked to the source data. Review the tab, and if you're happy, click Done. If not, Undo rolls it straight back. And there you have it, a full executive analysis on a new tab in about a minute. You just turned one sheet into a C-suite. Four executives, one prompt. Open Excel, click the Copilot icon in edit mode, paste the prompt, review until you're happy, click Done.